Hi everyone. Quite a few of you asked me for some more videos and a bit more information on just the setup of the deployment of these laptops. And it's quite filled these desks. But anyhow, so just underneath there, mind the mess. There is a Dell R210 server. I've just had to knock this up like today morning. When we got the delivery for the laptops. And anyway, in this Dell server, we've got an Ethernet network card which has 4 ports. Okay, and then on board where the red cables are, there are 2 onboard ports as well. So that's a total of 6. All 6 are going into this 24 port gigabit switch. And what we've done inside Windows, we've configured something called NIC Teaming, and in a total it gives us a 6 gigabits per second virtual connection, which it load balances between all the 6 Ethernet ports. What that means is that the IP address is also on the virtual interface. So when I go ahead and switch all of these on, I'm just going to pause the video, switch them all on, and then we will be able to see what kind of throughput is going through this server. I reckon just over 2 gig when it's doing the full deployment. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video. So what I've done is I've turned them all on and I've gone into F12, and I'm going to now press network boot on the Pixie options on every single one of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do that. Now as we can see, they're now just all booting up. So I've not pressed anything else, okay? These are all now going ahead and booting in the installation for the what it does, it pulls the files. Okay, setup is starting now. In Windows Deployment Services, what we've done is we've set like an unattended file. So without any other configuration, it will start to pull the files from the server. Okay, and as soon as it starts, then as soon as the server responds, really, it will start to go ahead and download all the setup files. So whilst that's just about to respond, what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the graph on Task Manager and then on the server, and we will be able to see the network load. Okay, give us a second. So I've gone ahead and loaded up Task Manager, and I can also see that the computers are now pulling the files. I'm just going to go over to Task Manager on here. You can see that 3.3 gigabits per second. So we went to 3.4 then, right? 3.5 it just maxed to, and it might even peak to like 4. Okay, now that's with all these 6 interfaces plugged in and being used at once. So as you can see, all of them are getting the installation media downloaded, and it's a custom image, you see. Now these laptops, they don't have any sort of operating system on them when we received them, because a few of the comments on the previous video was relating to that just peaked to 4.2, then 4.7 gigabits per second through the network. Wow, that was amazing. Some of the comments were like, oh, just Azure AD SCCM, all these, but that's all good if they already had an operating system on. But these had nothing, so we just had to make like a golden image and then use that. But look, Windows Deployment Services is beautiful. It's just about getting the setup right and making it efficient. And look at the kind of I mean, this is a simple flat 24 port switch. If we had a 48 port and a bit more space, I'd be able to get loads done at once. I've just seen that peak to 5.5 gigabits per second. 5.5, right? I just seen that go up to. So that shows that 5.6. This is quite exciting. I don't know if you guys are also excited. 5.7. Oh my days. Oh, that is pretty cool. Yeah. I don't know. I get excited about this type of stuff, but I'm kind of sweating right now. But anyhow, so as we've been talking for the last couple of minutes, this has gone to 31%. So I'm just going to turn this video off. Now, the good thing about Windows Deployment Services is you can configure it so that when it boots into the first